Hey, let's take a look and see what comes inside the July kit special. Okay, July 2019, we are celebrating 30 years as Usborne Books and More, and so we have a $30 kit special just for you. Where else can you begin a business for just $30? I love being an entrepreneur. I love sharing great books. I love impacting literacy, and you could do this too. Included in this kit are 5 books. One is That's Not My Giraffe. Awesome, touchy-feely spots on every page, high contrast, so much fun for the littles. It helps right off the bat, helping them have a nice love of books and entertainment from books. Then next, let's look at Unicorns in Uniforms. This is one of our wonderful Phonics readers, and this one has a free audio, so you can click the, scan the QR code, and right there it'll have Americanized or British English, and it beeps when to turn the page. So that's a great reinforcement as your kiddos are learning to read or enjoying having books read to them that way. Also in this kit is Dragon Post, which is written by Emma Yarlett. You may know her from Nibbles. She wrote all the Nibbles books. So Dragon Post is about Alex, who finds a dragon and wants to keep him at home, but isn't quite sure how that's going to work out. He writes some letters, and he gets letters back in the mail. And there are 5 letters that come to him all about the dragon situation. Dragon Post. Alrighty. Oh, I love this one. Stay Strong is one of the a really great activity book for young kids. This one, maybe who are experiencing bullying, or who may know someone or have seen some bullying going on, and that might just help be able to express themselves about this. Is a wonderful activity book. In this series, we also have Be Brave, Hello Happy, and No Worries. Okay, and our 5th book that's in here is What is the Moon? This is one of our very first questions and answers lift the flap books. So you have the question, and under the flap, you have the answer. Right there. It's so exciting. This month is the 50th anniversary of landing on the moon, and kids are hearing way more about the moon right now and may have added excitement and interest in learning more about that also. Love the flat books because kids get to kind of anticipate what the answer is going to be and then discover it. Also in this kit, you'll get a full-line catalog and a whole pack of mini catalogs, which have all our new titles, all the bestsellers, and a nice rounding out about 300 titles, I guess, compared to 2,000 that's in the full catalog and on your website. When you become a consultant, you get a website for 6 months. After that, it's just $8 a month. We have just started an incentive trip to Hawaii, and I would love to go to Hawaii with you. We should totally do that together. Okay, we've just begun that. As you build your business, you can be earning points to go to Hawaii. We would love to have you join us at Usborne Books and More, and I look forward to working with you.